The carbon cycle is like this. Something produces carbon. For example, you can make a fire, and that fire will produce carbon that we will attach to some oxygen molecules and produce a gas called carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide will integrate to the atmosphere, and plants that are the primary producers, they produce photosynthesis, and through it they absorb the carbon dioxide again, and they expulse the oxygen of the carbon dioxide, but they actually absorb the carbon of the carbon dioxide, and now that carbon is part of the plant. When the plant dies, the carbon from which this plant was made will infiltrate into the soil, and now will be part of the earth, and maybe this carbon will eventually integrate to another living organism, or it will turn into something that naturally forms, but that is like a fossil fuel, like coal or things of that kind, after millions of years through the fossilization. And this carbon will eventually be used by the cycle itself, but in another thing, because the original plant died, and the original place from which this carbon came from, that was our hypothetical fire, was already extinguished, right? But then something else absorbs it, and the cycle starts again.